Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to create a simple animation using Canva. Maybe you want to create a simple animation using Canva, but you don't know how to do it. So today, I am going to show you how to create your own simple animation using Canva. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Canva and create a presentation like this. So, to create an animation, simply tap on that object that you want to be animated. After that, scroll this to the right and you will see this animate. Tap on this animate. And after this, simply scroll this option and then in this tool button, you will see this create. Simply tap on this create. And as you can see, here's a simple tutorials. So what you'll need to do is to simply drag the element around. You can also change the movement style into smooth or steady. And you can also control the speed of the animation. After that, simply tap on Done button. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create this simple animation in Canva, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to create the simple animation using Canva, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.